Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. AI tools are powerful, but what many AI pros don't openly tell you is that getting amazing results hinges on how to talk to it. Common prompting mistakes often hold users back. Today, we will expose these pitfalls and show how to fix them, transforming your AI interactions. Mistake number one, being too vague. The generic GIF. Beginners often ask general questions like write about dogs or tell me about climate change. The AI responds, but the answer is generic and unhelpful. Why is it a mistake? AI can't read your mind. Vague prompts leads to vague outputs. This is how to fix it. Instead of writing, write about dogs. You can have this in its place. Write a 300-word persuasive paragraph on why rescue dogs make great family pets for a blog targeting new homeowners using an encouraging and warm tone. Guidance is key for useful outputs. Users often fail to specify how they want information presented or what rules to follow. Asking for information on renewable energy could yield anything from a paragraph to a story. Why is it a mistake? AI defaults to its own style, which may not be usable. This is how to fix it. Good prompt goes like list 5 key nutritional facts about red apples in bullet points, each no more than 15 words. Avoid mentioning origins. Always state if you need bullet points, a table, an email, JSON, a specific word count, or keywords to include or exclude. Mistake number three, not iterating or refining. Many users give up if the first AI response isn't perfect, treating AI like a final answer machine. Why it's a mistake? AI is an interactive tool. It learns from your feedback. Learn to treat AI as a collaborator, refine, ask follow-ups, and provide feedback. If the response is too long, make that more concise. If the AI tone is off, rewrite that in a more professional tone. If a point is missed, expand on that part about something X. Don't hesitate to prompt again, building on previous responses. By avoiding these common mistakes and adopting a more precise, structured, and iterative approach, you will unlock far more powerful and useful results from your AI tools. Also, users often treat AI as a generic information retrieval system, forgetting that it can adapt its role and knowledge. Asking, tell me about cars is vague, but so is asking, give me car buying tips without specifying who you are or who the advice is for. Why it's a mistake? AI operates best when it understands the situation and its role. Without context or a persona, the output can be generic, misaligned, or unhelpful for your specific needs. This is where AI pros truly shine. This is how to fix it. Treat AI as a specialized consultant, always provide context, and if relevant, assign a persona or role to the AI. A good prompt goes like, as a seasoned automotive journalist advising a first time car buyer, list the top 5 most important features to look for in an affordable, fuel efficient sedan for city driving. Keep the tone practical and encouraging. By providing AI with a clear context or role, you tap into its vast knowledge base more effectively, receiving tailored, expert level responses that go beyond basic information. Forgetting negative constraints also plays a role in downgrading your output. Tell the AI what you don't want. Most users focus only on what they want the AI to include. They rarely tell the AI what they don't want. This leads to outputs that are technically correct but contain irrelevant, undesirable, or overused phrases. This is how to fix it. Use negative constraints or explicit exclusions in your prompts. Tell the AI what not to include. An example is write a short, catchy slogan for a new organic coffee shop. Do not use the words brew, bean, or cup. Focus on warmth and community. The AI pros know that guiding AI is as much about setting boundaries as it is about providing instructions. Mastering negative prompts gives you incredible precision over the AI's output. These simple shifts truly differentiate the pros from everyone else. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.